coming to you from underneath my BMW 5 Series because I'm going to be changing the fluid from my rear differential.
Okay, so what are you gonna need to do this job? Number one, you're gonna need a 14 millimeter hex, either a socket or you can get this, it was $12 to get this wrench. It's really good because it fits into tight spots. Also gonna need a pump. So this is the pump that I use, it works really well. I recommend getting a pump, not the kind of pump, the really super cheapo ones that just go into the bottle, but getting this kind with a tube, a sucking tube, because depending on which differential you have, you may have to suck out the old fluid. And then you're going to need, obviously, gear oil. So it has to be fully synthetic. The weight, 75W90. And then just make sure you're able to raise your BMW and work under it so that it is level, because you need it to be level in order to know that you filled your differential correctly. So now let's see how to do this job.
Here now, there's two types of differential. There's this smooth kind, and then there's one that has fins. It's got radiator fins. Now, I wish I had that one, because that one has a drain plug. This one has no drain plug. Why doesn't it have a drain plug? Money, I'm sure. Fat cats at BMW. So it's just got a fill plug. So we're gonna have to suck out the old stuff using a pump. But don't worry, we'll do it, we'll do it. Okay, so here we go. First, let's see if we can even loosen this thing. So, I'm braced, I'm ready. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. That's good. We'll see what's in here. Okay. Huh? And nothing comes out. Okay, here's your drain plug. It's dirty. It's really dirty. I suspect it's really filthy in there. We've got a new drain plug, so that's okay. I'm gonna go get my pump. So I got my pump, and this is the suck part. And it's all dirty. Oh, look, there's a little bit of fluid pouring out. That's nice. That means that there was fluid in there. Okay, so let's just wipe this clean. And, okay, here we go. Let's see what comes out of anything. If we suck anything out. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's sucking up filth. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. I just got a face full of differential, dirty differential. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. And now let's get our new fluid ready. You're wondering, why is this sitting in a box? It's sitting in a box because I'm horribly clumsy. And this helps. It helps you when you stick the tube in and stuff. This becomes all really top heavy and wants to fall over. So the box helps it from not falling over. I got a face full of that differential fluid. So I'm sticking in the tube. You can't see, it's behind you. I mean, imagine a tube going into that bottle of liquid moly, and then I'm gonna stick this one. It should take a liter. Here we go, we start pumping. And it's starting to pour out. That means we emptied it actually really good. There it goes, steady stream. Okay, grab my new fill plug. Boom. I wish I had a rag. I would clean my hands. Oh, that's what pants are for. Okay, a special tool. There it is. Okay. Now, this is supposed to be 60 something Newton meters, something. I don't have this Allen bit. I thought I did, but I don't. And so it's gonna be done by feel. Just to do it, so this is what I do. I've got it tighty-ish, and now I just go, and that's about it. So what was that? I don't know, 30-degree turn, quarter turn, something like that. And let's wipe it, and then we'll see if anything is leaking out. But there we go. I think more went in than came out, which is a good sign of a necessary job. But there you go. That's it. That is the easiest thing that I have done on this car so far. I haven't done many things on this car, but there we go. So rear differential is done. And there we go. If you found this video useful and you enjoyed it, then hit that like button. You can subscribe too. I don't know how many. If this car breaks down a lot, there will be more videos to come.